Hello, welcome back. It's Rachel.
Hello. It was fine with hey.
This is my sister Olivia.
Hi.
And today we are going to be filming our January top 5 favorites,
New Year's favorite.
New Year's favorite, yeah, like New Year's or new
me,
new me, Christmas, just what's kind of really popular right now and what we really like. And her blog is very lifestyle and video.
Yeah, my YouTube, and I also have a blog, so I do a lot of lifestyle, fashion, and travel videos. So that's what I'm going to be basing mine off of. And what are you gonna?
Mine's gonna be based off of makeup, and then we also link her channels.
Yeah,
you can check that out.
So you kind of have a
So start.
Make sure to subscribe to both of our channels and go follow us. And let's get into it.
So I'm gonna start. My first favorite is this MAC lipstick in the color Chatterbox. I'm wearing it right now. It's a lovely pink. I love it because it's super fun. It just there we go, it's focused. It's just a super nice pink color, and I like it because for my work I have to wear black a lot, so I think it's great because then I have a pop of color on my lips.
So my first favorite, I'm actually wearing it. It's a pretty popular brand. It's called Comme des Garçons, and this is the Comme des Garçons long sleeve striped shirt. They come in other colors, and they're just really in right now, and I've been really loving it. And yeah, it's Comme des Garçons.
Okay, my second favorite is this Zara 24 karat rose oil. I've been loving this. I've been using it as a primer before my makeup, and it's great because it helps my foundation go on so smoothly. It makes my skin look so great. I have super dry skin, so it helps so much, and I love it because it looks really pretty. I keep it out on my counter because I just love the look of it. So that's my second favorite.
My second favorite kind of has to do with traveling and just lifestyle. This is the camera that I've been currently using for the past about 6 months actually, and I've just really been loving to learn how to use it. And it's the Nikon D7000, and it's also a great camera if you're just getting started because it's not going to cost you thousands of dollars. It's pretty affordable for the quality that you get, and it's also really great for portrait photography.
Okay, my third is the Cooling Stick by Milk. I think it's one of their new products, I'm not sure. It's called Cooling Water, and it feels really good on your skin. Here with Philips, I make one. See?
It feels like ice.
It does, it feels like ice. It helps to reduce like puffiness under your eyes, or if your skin is looking really red, I put it on. It helps cool you down your skin, and it just feels really good on your face.
It probably also really helps with like dark circles.
Yeah, it's more for like puffiness, but I guess that works. Yeah, we can test that out.
Yeah. Okay. My third favorite is this bracelet by a brand called Chikondi, and these are handcrafted metal bracelets from Africa, and you can use my code LIV LIV for 25% off your entire order, and they're just really beautiful because they go with every outfit, and they're really unique from kind of what you see on the daily. And so yeah, I've been loving that right now.
My third favorite is the Huda lip set. I've been loving these because they come with a lip liner, a liquid matte, and then what their lip strobes are, so it gives it a color on top. And I love it because you don't have to try and mix and match and find the colors that work. It's just in there, it works together. It's a cute pink color that I think goes with a lot of outfits, and if I'm not feeling shiny, I'll just wear the matte. If I just want a lipstick, I'll wear the strobe. So it's really nice because it's very versatile, and it gives you 3 things, and I believe they're like $25 or $30, which is I'll put it down below. It's pretty great for 3 things, and I have the color in Muse. That's the liquid matte, the Muse and Angelic color.
Okay, my fourth favorite is also for traveling and videography. I've recently gotten the new DJI drone. It's called the DJI Spark, and it's really compatible and portable. Like, here's the drone, and then this is the size of my phone. Like, it's almost smaller than it. And I've been loving this also mainly because it takes really good footage. It's really smooth and stable, but it's also really portable, and you don't have to lug around like any big backpacks. Like, it comes with this, and it just fits in this little shoulder bag, and it's really easy to take around with you, and I love it.
Sorry, our battery died, so if the angle's a little different, that's why. But we're gonna do battery, and I guess we'll just continue. Fifth favorite is the Fenty Beauty Palette. Fenty is all the rage right now. Everyone's in love with it. I personally love Rihanna, like I've said in other videos. And I just really love this palette because it has a wide variety of colors. And I love the sparkle to it, and it has a really great pigmentation. And I just love the overall and just how it looks on me.
Okay, and my last favorite is a pair of shoes. And I'm really into sneakers, but I've really been loving these just because they're different than all the sneakers I have. And these are the Timberland, work boot, the velvets in the color dark green. And I think these are actually like $30 or $40 off at Journeys. And so I've really been loving these just because like I can use these to mix it up than just like my sneakers. And yeah.
And those are our top 5 favorites. So if you like this video, please subscribe
to both channels.
Go subscribe to Liv's channel too, and check out her blog. Again, the best right now is her, how do you say this?
Chikondi.
Her Chikondi bracelet. They really are beautiful. And if you use her code LIV, you get 25% off. So that's a great deal. And they look great. Like, they look beautiful. You can style them up or down. Liv took some cute pictures with them too, so go check out her Instagram. We'll put that below.
And one way I also love to wear them instead of just like on your wrist, a lot of people, how they sponsor them, like with short sleeves, you can like layer them up like on your arm because they're adjustable, so you can like get them to fit to any part of your arm, which is really nice.
Okay.
Yeah,
so thanks for watching.
Bye.